Hello, we're starting in a similar place we did last time I did the clean up, because I was literally just on the bridge up there, because Ashwoodale again is covered in litter, so we're going to go there first and then we'll make our way through in town. Going past Iceland, which I noticed there was something very interesting on the way to picking up the wheelbarrow at Iceland. Fighting through the bushes. It's been quite some time since we filled the barrow pretty much before we even got to the dale. There's a lot of rubbish. Look at that, they've cleaned the steps to the broken bridge. I didn't even know there were stones there on the right. I'm quite impressed. Normally when they cut the grass, they leave quite a lot of rubbish and then it gets caught up and spewed everywhere, but they've done a very good job of getting rid of the rubbish this time. They haven't decimated the grass, not cut it, but it's a good improvement. So I've done the road alongside Ashwood, a little bit at the top of Ashwood where that park is, cleaned the park out. I've done the orchard and now I'm in Silken Coach Park. Pretty much a repeat of what I did last clean-up. Completely different result though. More rubbish in different areas. So I just emptied most of the wheelbarrow out because it was getting pretty full. I'm still doing the coach park because there's a lot around the back of where they normally park the vehicles. So I'm going to do that now. Right. Well, this is a bit ridiculous, isn't it? That's like someone's actual household waste that they've dumped here. This used to be a park. So I've just had a very, very, very lovely gentleman who does the same thing as me down at Bakewell, and he's just handed me a drink, which they are very nice drinks as well. It was lovely to talk to him. He just obviously does the same thing as I do. He picks up rubbish, down at Bakewell, and he does the main roads. It's really nice to talk to people who do the same thing and how appreciative people are about it. Obviously you get lots of weird looks by doing it, but there are many people who appreciate it more than the weird looks that you get. So thank you so much to that gentleman, because this is lovely. It's brightened up my day. Anyway, emptying this bush out of rubbish. Though this is new, I think that's going to cause a mess in the wheelbarrow, so what I'm going to do, because they will sort themselves out. What were they even doing with them? What did they do with the yolks? The last one. Whoop. Oh, it's caught in the bush. Right. Now I can pick all this up. And there's quite a bit of it. Finally they put a bin here. Well done to Iceland, if that is them, or well done to the council. I'd assume it's Iceland's bin, but that was sorely needed. By the side of the museum again. Don't really know how rubbish gets up here, but I've had some very nice interactions on the high street. Plenty of people talk to me, give me a thumbs up, which is very nice. No way, it's done it again. Is it because it's on low battery? So just a quick update, because the other GoPro has practically died. I don't think it's been very appreciative of how cold it is at the moment. The battery has just gone from, it was 100% earlier, to now it's dead. So I don't know what's been recorded. I've gone down the high street, and I recorded by the museum, which was on this GoPro, so we should have that footage. But I have emptied the wheelbarrow across two bins, the one out front of St Anne's and this one. Just outside the old council care and repair agency. Very ironic. I do wish that a nice developer, such as Capital and Centric, would take over this land, the old cattle market, and they can put new flats and whatever, and then they can renovate this building, because it is a lovely building. I know we have loads of lovely buildings like this in Buxton, but it would be a shame for it to go. And just through there, that sign, I'll use my phone so you can read it better, but it genuinely does say Care and Repair Agency. Well, what a lovely, nice, wholesome episode it's been. And we've done 4.5, 5 wheelbarrows worth of rubbish. It's been really productive as well. And the sun hasn't quite just set, so good timing. And thank you once again to everybody who said hello, who thanked me, and of course for the gentleman for this drink. Which is very nice. Right, thank you very much for watching. A huge thank you to all my supporters on Ko-fi, and until next time, ta-ra. Siren's kind of ruined it, hasn't it?